Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to fold down the back seats. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now folding these seats is really easy. There is like a black lever on top of each portion of the back seat. So once I pull this, you will see this portion will go completely down, and it's almost all the way flat with the trunk area, and that way you got lots of cargo space. I will now show you the other side as well. Other side, the smaller portion, same thing. Lever, pull it, and it should go all the way down. And of course you can remove this bar as well, and then you have lots of space in this smaller SUV. I will show you from the back side as well. You see how much space there is now. To install these seats back up, all you have to do, you have to lift it and push it back in its place, and it will lock. You will hear like a knocking sound. That means the seat is locked, and I will show you the other side as well. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.